afternoon, welcome. This is Waec, year 2018 comments past question. Question number 11 says the portion of share capital which the company has asked shareholders to pay is called dash. When we talk of share simply means when a company decides to sell out some part of its profits. Selling out portion of a company profit to members of the society. A. Called up capital. B. Authorized capital. C. Paid up capital. D. Unpaid capital. The correct option is option A, called up capital. Called up capital means the amount, that is the amount of money that a company required a shareholder to pay, but he or she has not paid. So that is called off capital. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.